Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's exciting walkthrough, I'm going to show you how one single video on my Faceless YouTube channel, LearnWire, generated an impressive $512. That's right, no on-camera work required, and the earnings are still rolling in. Inside my six-figure Freedom Club community, I've got a comprehensive blueprint that's going to change the game for you. I'm talking about niche selection, affiliate marketing, audience growth, and sparking real interest in your channel, all without showing your face. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and efficiency. Forget about spending weeks or months overthinking a single video. It's all about becoming a prolific content creator, getting valuable content out there, and building your presence. Let's dive into LearnWire's analytics and see the real deal. How a faceless video about writing a 4,000-word blog post with Word Hero earned over $500 with just 26,000 views. This is proof that you don't need millions of views to earn big. You just need the right strategy and the right niche. I'll also debunk some common myths about YouTube earnings and show you how to identify software niches with high CPMs that could make your videos incredibly profitable even with fewer views. So if you're ready to learn how to replicate this success and potentially earn even more in 2024, stick around, click that subscribe button, and let's get started on transforming your approach to YouTube content creation. Let's get started. Let me quickly show you the Six-Figure Freedom Club and why you should join. My name is David, and in 2023, I made $156,000 in affiliate commissions. This club is packed with comprehensive courses, live coaching, and a vibrant community already making sales. If you're struggling to make money online, our members are here gaining real income and growing their businesses. Ready to grow a real online business? The first step is taking action. Let me show you how. Click the first link below to get started. All right, welcome back to the channel. This one, I'm going to be showing you how I made $512 from one video on my Faceless YouTube channel. So let's get started real quick. So inside of one of my YouTube channels called LearnWire, it is a complete 100% faceless YouTube channel where you don't have to be on camera in order to get results in YouTube. And that's exactly what I show you how to do over here in my Six-Figure Freedom Club community. I teach you all about it. You can even go to Classroom over here, go to the YT Affiliate Blueprint. It's 2.5 hours of me showing you exactly how to pick a niche, how to find affiliate products to promote, how to grow your audience, how to spark the interest in your YouTube channel and get it growing very quickly. And these are all faceless YouTube channels that we are creating because I know that most people don't want to get on camera and have to set up your camera and have everything all perfect. I'm about taking action and not spending weeks or months thinking about one video idea. It's better to just get content out there, become a content creator. So when we come over here into LearnWire and we take a look at some of my top performing videos as far as estimated revenue of all time, right? We've made over $23,000. If I go and sort this by what made the most, we have this one over here, Word Hero, writing a 4,000-word blog post. It made over $500. It only had 26,000 views. So when we go and zoom into this and look at the analytics, you will be able to see that under revenue, how much advertisers paid. They paid $60.20. So $60 other advertisers came in and companies paid. That's a $60 cost per 1,000 views that I got on this video, which is insane, right? That's a very high cost per click or cost per view when it comes to, this is a video that didn't get hundreds of thousands of views or millions of views. And in some of those videos, like the pranking niche or niches that require a lot of views, like video game niche and so forth, you're going to get hundreds of thousands or millions of views, but you're going to be making about the same because your cost per the CPM on your channel on one of those niches is going to be like $4. This one is $60 right here because it's in the software niche, right? So let me show you how you would go out and do this. Why do I think that this video did so well? Again, it's because this was a software that was popular at the time. A couple years ago, Word Hero was a very popular software that was on AppSumo, and it was an AI content generation tool that for the most part, it was ahead of its time. We're talking about 2 or 3 years ago. Since then, there are several softwares out there that can do far more than this. But at the time, this was a really cool software, and it was available on AppSumo. There was a lot of buzz, a lot of interest around it, and I got some pretty good views and so forth. But here's the interesting thing. How are you going to go out and create and get the same results? How would you replicate this right now in 2024? What would I do? Okay. So this is a software, and it's interesting. If you come over here and you actually go into SEranking, you can use Ahrefs or SEMrush or any other tool, but I like to use SEranking. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in going and checking this tool out. I like it because it only costs half as much as Ahrefs per month. It's only about $49 a month, and I get all the same features and so forth. It's a very much power-packed SEO tool. And so if I come over here and I type in Word Hero right here, you'll see that costs per click are very low. There is an interest. Word Hero, people are typing this in still 2,000 times per month. And you can see that the interest has gone down a little bit. If we really look at it, the interest has gone down. It's a tool that just has fallen a little bit. Even Jasper at one point was the most popular AI content generation tool on earth. And it literally right now, they have fallen the last 12 months. A lot of tools have passed them by and never looked back. And so they didn't stay relevant, and they didn't do a lot of things they did not do right and so forth. But this is just to give you an example that this only shows a 26-cent cost per click. And that is just completely not accurate when it comes to YouTube, for example. Now, you can use a cost per click over here, and if it's high, then you just know that, okay, yeah, that's good. But when it comes to software and software that's getting searches, you're going to have a good chance of making good CPM, cost per 1,000 views. You're going to have a chance of getting a lot more money for the views that you're getting on YouTube for software. So I would take this CPC over here with a grain of salt. And what I would do is I'd come over here and I'd go to this place called Futurepedia. They've got thousands of tools in here. And I'd go to their popular section, and I would go and just look through here and look at if anything looks interesting. Now, I think this Flicky right here, it's a create videos from blog posts in 2 minutes. So this is a video creation platform. So we could take this Flicky and we could go and plug this in right over here. So look at 1.9 thousand views. Let's go put Flicky in over here and see if it's getting any more. And it definitely has a lot more interest. 3.6 thousand views, 2.4 thousand views right there. A lot of search terms over here. And looking at the volume, there are a lot higher trends and a lot higher search volume on this tool right here. So this gives you a good idea. Look at this Flicky app right over here is getting a lot of interest, right? So you can look at the trends over here, and you can go and start creating content around this. And so what I would do is I would go over here and I would say, hey, Flicky AI, and I would go over to ChatGPT and I would say, create me 10 YouTube titles that are 60 characters or less for this software. And I'd put that in Flicky, and then I would say, give me tutorial type titles as well as how to make money with type titles. And then I would say each title must include Flicky AI. Okay, and so I'm going to push enter, and then now ChatGPT is going to go out there. It's going to create these titles for us. Master Flicky AI, the ultimate beginner's guide. Profit from your passion, earning with Flicky AI. Flicky AI tutorial, create stunning videos easily. You're going to go out there and dominate the niche for this one software right here. You're going to obviously go and you can sign up to their affiliate program, and you can make a lot of money by sending traffic and being helpful to people that are interested in this tool. They're going to watch your video. You're going to make money like this. You're going to be making money for posting your video on YouTube. Just going to pay you ad revenue right here like this, right? And then you have a chance to get subscribers. We got almost 500 subscribers from one video right here, 27,000 views right there, almost 3,000 hours of watch time. Just this one video alone with no advertising or anything like that is 3/4 of the way there for monetizing an entire YouTube channel. That's the power of one video. And look at this. The average view duration is over 6 minutes. People stayed and watched long. So this long form content, this was a 29-minute get video. And I'm not saying you have to create all your videos like that, but sometimes videos like this for an audience that's very interested in the tool works like a charm. And look, you can see we're actually we do get views still on this to this day on that video. So that's what I would do is I'd come over here. It works for anything, right? So you'd go and you would create this, and some of them are not going to get as big of a CPM as you maybe thought of, but some of them are going to blow it right out of the water, right? We can also come over here and we can just say something like, what is this? This is another great idea. So this is Flicky, and we can come over here and we can just go and type Flicky in. And what I'll do is I'll go over here to the sales page right here. And then what I would do is I'll do a Control A and I'll just copy the entire sales page. We'll come back in over here to our trusty old ChatGPT to get some information. And I'll say, tell me what audience or target market is this software for? Also, give me 10 awesome bait YouTube ideas to promote this software. Here is the data from the sales page, and then a Shift Enter, Control V, and then Enter. Now ChatGPT is going to go and analyze this entire page right here. It's going to tell us who the target market is of this entire page, who we're trying to sell to, and then it knows what kind of videos it can create, and then it's going to go out there and it's going to give us some information that now we can go over here for promoting this software on YouTube. Here are 10 clickbait titles, ideas that focus on the various features and benefits. So now you can go transform your blog into viral videos, and you can go in here and start finding some high cost per click, like right over here, viral videos. You can go and start doing different keyword research right over here, viral videos, and you can enter that in over here as well. And you can start looking at cost per click, and let's see if we can get some higher cost per clicks over here. And when you're starting to look over here, like right over here, you have different viral video marketing agency. That's a good keyword that if you put that in your title, along with using the theme, doing these combinations in your title, it's going to lead to higher cost per clicks. There's going to be more marketing companies that want to go and advertise on your video, even just viral video right here. It's got a $2 click. You have keywords in here. So just look at that viral video, 33,000 search volume, and a really good cost per click at $2 or more. And just think about Google AdSense. It's the same kind of concept. So then when you can come back over here and you start creating these titles right over here, they're also going to be able to give you a chance to make some pretty good money with the YouTube monetization partnership platform. And you can see all these really wonderful title ideas right here. So now you have 20 titles. You have these 10 right here, and you have these 10 right over here, and creating a software review channel. Look at that's 20 videos right there just from one software. And you really want to share that software with the world. You can create YouTube channels around just one product, or you can go out there and just repeat the process. Create as many videos as you can about Flicky, then move on, go right back over to Futurepedia, come back over here and go look at new software, right? There's no excuses on building YouTube channels that are helpful to people, because there's a software that's coming out every single day right here that there is no content being made about them. And so when people somehow come across these softwares over here and then they go to YouTube and they type it in and then there's no content being made, that's where you can go and get in front of your audience and create the best content to help them decide if it's the right tool for them or not. So that's exactly what I do with my YouTube channels. Go ahead if you want to go and sign up to Six Figure Freedom Club. First link below, go check it out. I'd love to have you in the group. We are doing all kinds of fun things. See you next time.